Hello, dear little friends. Welcome to Dive into Pooja's books, where we get lots of knowledge by reading more and more books. So, we encourage you to read more and more books and share the knowledge as I do with everyone. So, today we are going to talk about a really very important topic. We are going to talk about food. Our plate should hold 1/4 of vegetables, 1/4 of fruits, 1/4 of proteins, 1/4 of grains, and a product of dairy. Now that I have told you why we shouldn't have junk food, now let us take a closer look on the 5 food groups. Let's start with the vegetable group. Vegetables, they are packed with nutrients that help build strong bones, healthy eyes, and lean muscles. What are vegetables? They are part of plants that are not sweet and usually they don't have seeds. It can be the root of the plant like carrot, stem of the plant like celery, leaf of a plant like spinach, or flower of a plant like broccoli. Vegetables are full of minerals, vitamins, and fiber. Next time you eat a carrot, you imagine your stomach is breaking down each bite of that carrot into tiny building blocks. These are vitamins and minerals. They enter your blood and blood carry them throughout your body and deliver them to your brain, heart, lungs, bones, and muscles. It helps you grow and become stronger, and it has helped you from getting sick. So now you understand how these magic minerals and vitamins they work in your body, what magic they create, where and how they reach, and how vegetables and fruits are helping you for that. Okay, now let us take a look on some of the vegetables and see what vitamins they give you and what are their benefits. Carrot, they give you vitamin A. It keeps your eyes strong and vision clear. Peppers and lemon, they give you vitamin C. Heals wounds and keeps skin and joints healthy. Spinach, it is rich in vitamin K. It helps the blood to clot. Also high in iron and manganese. Vegetables are filled with fiber. What are fibers? They cannot be broken down in your stomach. So it keeps your heart healthy and you feel full for longer time. Fiber also helps move food from your stomach through your intestine and it helps in digestion. So you should choose from colorful vegetables, try new veggies every time. You know a fact? The more time you taste a veggie, it is more likely you are going to enjoy it. So if you don't like a vegetable at once, don't stop eating it. Eat it again and again. You will surely start liking it. So add salad to your plate with greens for base, topped with colors like tomato and carrots. You can eat healthy and tasty soups. So add the vegetable in your food. Move on to the fruits group now. So fruits are sometimes called nature's candy because fruits are sweet. They are the parts of the plants that carry seeds. Fruits are filled with heart-healthy vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They help build strong bones and muscles. So it helps you run faster, jump higher. Even dried fruits like raisins or fresh orange and apple juices, they are considered as part of fruits. So you can have them as fruits. Let's see at some of the fruits and the vitamins that it contains. Apricots, they have lots of vitamin A. It makes your hair shiny and skin healthy. Apple and lemons, they are full of magnesium. It keeps your heart healthy and bones strong. Strawberries, pineapples, and citrus fruits like oranges, they are high in vitamin C. It helps gut heal and it builds your immunity. Fruits, they have a lot of fiber. So as we saw in vegetable group, how the minerals and the vitamins in it are broken as building blocks, same thing happens with the vitamins and minerals for fruits. So even they are very useful and they also have lots of fiber. I'll tell you some fun facts about fruits. So if you eat lots and lots of fruits, you will live longer. Eating fruit every day may help you live longer. Studies have shown this. Another fact, watermelon is a fruit, but it is almost 92% water. Okay, let's move on to the grains group now. What are grains? You might have heard of wheat, rice, corn, and oats. These are grains. Bread, pasta, cereal, popcorn. These are mostly the things that are made from grains and that you eat. So let me now tell you a fact about the whole grains. A whole wheat grain is made of bran, germ, and endosperm. So as you see here, the bran is full of fiber and vitamin B. The germ, the tiny part inside the kernel, has vitamin B, vitamin E, antioxidants, minerals, and healthy fats. The endosperm, it has mostly carbohydrates, which gives you energy. So, the refined grains, which are milled, it has only the endosperm part. So, if you eat the white flour, it is a refined form of that grain, which only has endosperm, so it is not giving you most of the vitamins, nutrients, and fiber that the whole grain is giving you. Do you understand the difference here? So, try to replace refined grains with whole grains in your diet. Whole grains, they are made from entire grain kernel. All nutrients are present in it. So try to at least have half of your grains as whole grains. It is easy to replace white bread with whole wheat grain, white pasta with whole wheat pasta. Corn is also a fresh vegetable and a grain. It has lots of vitamin A and other nutrients which are good for your eyes. Oats is a whole grain. It has a special fiber to keep your heart healthy. Let's take a look at the proteins group now. Proteins, they are essential nutrients which gives your body energy, builds muscles, and keep your tissues and organs strong. You need to eat protein to stay fit and healthy. Your body does not produce any protein. You need to eat them. So half of your body, including muscles, skin, hair, and organs, they are made of proteins. So to keep them functioning properly, your body needs protein. So what are proteins? They mostly come from animal products like egg, meat, milk, or fish. So plants such as legumes, soya, spinach are also good sources of proteins. Beans are good source of proteins. So protein, they break into building block called amino acids in your body. Egg, fish, and nuts contain vitamin B and E, which fight illness and strengthen your blood. Meat, beans, and milk, they give you important minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium, which carry oxygen in blood. So as you see, most of the proteins, they come from the meat or animal products. So vegetarians should carefully pick their proteins from the beans, tofu, spinach, or the other vegetarian options. But they should try and include it in your diet every day. Finally, let's take a look at the dairy food group. What are the dairy food group? These are milk, and the products that you get from milk like yogurt, cheese, butter. They have lots of nutrients we need to be healthy. Yogurt, it is full of minerals, calcium and potassium that keeps your body healthy. Cheese, it is full of proteins. Most of the dairy products, they are full of calcium. It makes your bones strong and it keeps your heart and blood healthy. It has potassium, so your heart pumps blood and oxygen through your body. And potassium makes your heart strong. So you understand why potassium is important? Now that we have seen most of the food groups, I'll tell you something about fats. So there are healthy fats such as unsaturated fats that you get from olive oil, avocados, nuts, almonds, and seeds. So you should try to have, if you want to have fats, have the healthy fats and not the trans fats, which are coming from cookies or fried foods or packaged foods such as crackers. So try to avoid the trans fats and have the healthy fats, which is good for your heart. So the good thing is to remember is replace your solid fats with liquid oil. So oil which is liquid at room temperature is better than butter which is solid. Also, you shouldn't have fried fruits because here you are converting your liquid oil into a solid form. So it is not good. It gets converted into trans fats and not good for your heart. These are some smart choices that you can make based on what we have discussed today. Try to replace your whole milk with low-fat milk. Replace your soda with water. White bread with whole wheat bread. Ice cream with homemade smoothie. Replace your butter with olive oil. Replace potato chips with baked chips. I hope now you will make healthy food choices. Think before you feel bad about not having lots of junk food, and think what you're putting in your body. I really hope you liked this video, and thank you for liking it. Subscribe for getting free updates on new videos, and share and keep learning. Bye bye. See you soon.